Today I look in the history books. I'm driving a Ford Anglia 1959. It's a 1000cc engine, not very powerful, but does this thing get a lot of looks on the road. One thing I love about these old cars is all the chrome detailing on here. Everything inside the car, back in the 1960s, they obviously like chrome, so they put chrome on literally everything. Door handles, and there we go, I just stalled. So this specific car that I'm driving at the moment, it's actually one of my friends. He has restored the whole car from scratch. It was a bit of a wreck when he got it, and he's done a tremendous amount of work on the car, making it and getting it to where it is at the moment. The interior of this car has been restored back to its original condition. It is a red. I know you might think it's a bit of an unusual color, but it works very well with the gunmetal grey of the exterior of the car. For a car that's going on 60 years old, it is still mechanically sound. There's no rattles on the suspension. The brakes are still decent. I mean, they're not quite wooden brakes, but they do stop you if you need to be stopped. As for the steering is very light. It's amazing, you know, power steering back in the days, their solution was a bigger wheel, and that is exactly what they have done. And though they put a bigger wheel, it is a very thin wheel. I mean, this is almost the same thickness as my finger. Driving on these roads, you don't need to be going fast. It's all about the reaction you get while driving on the road. I can't say I have stopped at any stop streets or passed any car that someone hasn't looked back on. It just shows you what a remarkable car this is and this massive piece of history. Okay, so that's enough information on the car. Time for a little bit of cinematography. So there we have it. It's been a great day videoing this car. I've really enjoyed it. It has brought back a lot of memories, as one of these Ford Anglias was actually my first racing car. At the age of 13, I was handed a Ford Anglia to race around oval track, and this car has really brought back a lot of good memories. One of the things I've actually got quite annoyed with driving this car is this car does not have a head pillar. So every time I'm thinking I'm an electric car trying to lean back, I almost break my neck. So that is one downside of driving around a classic car. And of course there are no seat belts. So good luck when you get stopped by the cops here in Zimbabwe. So this car has really taken me back in time. And I can imagine all the old toppies that we've passed on the road. They must be looking at their wife right now and saying, "Hun, do you remember those times when we used to drive that old Anglia around the block? And when we really just used to go to the drive-ins at the movies, and how big we actually used to make that back seat era were actually conceived in the back of these old Anglias. An overall summary on the car, presentation of its interior and exterior on the paint job, it is in immaculate condition. I would suggest any buyer who is going to be buying it in the near future, you guys have really got yourselves a gem, and hopefully in time it is going to increase in value. Thank you all for watching this video. Please don't hit that subscribe button and like my page on Facebook, Kevin Steenkamp Racing, and of course follow me on Instagram. Hopefully next week I'm going to be doing a new car, so I will keep you all posted. Cheers!